For those of you who are unfamiliar with this beast of a car called the Audi R8, at a glance the interior might look a little simplistic. Like, where's the infotainment system? Surely you can access the settings of a car with a price tag like this. Everything is done in Audi's virtual cockpit. Starting with the map, where you can zoom in and zoom out. Then, if we go to the menu, here are all your settings, from map to navigation, telephone, media, radio, sound settings, even vehicle settings. This is how you can access each and every one of your settings. One of my favorite features is if we go to navigation, we can literally write where we want to go. Now, if we press this red button here, and then if you press this, even though this is a 2017 Audi R8, it is incredible. Every single detail about this car is unique.